It's a bit expensive to start making money with your smartphone. You need a lot of investment and you need a high expertise. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on Immaculate Show, the lady that says, I should not hold a smartphone and beg for bread. Yeah, you should beg for $50 and above, but not bread or a cup of tea. In today's video, I'm welcoming you to this wonderful 1 billion or $1 million question that was asked to me by one of my new fan or the beginner. It was on one of the platform it was a live session, and when he asked it, I remember that most of you have that narrative, have that thinking that for you to start making money on any social media platform, or for you to hear that making money online, it means you have to be loaded, you have to break your saving box, you even have to go for certain courses. No, you're going to know in this video that you can come the way you are. Provided you're watching me, it means you qualify already. Guys, before I begin, this is a big disclaimer. I'm not a financial guru, I'm not a financial consultant. This is an education video. I'm giving you 10% or less than 10%. You go research, look around. If you find this, what I'm talking can work for you and you add on knowledge, please go ahead and make use of your smartphone and those existing platforms. So get to know that this video is educational. I just give you tips, the tips that have worked for me and have worked for the few percentage out there that are making money with their smartphones. To my special engagers, I love you so much. For 5 years, for 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, 1 month, 1 day, I love you so much. Thanks for engaging our videos. So let's dive in and talk about this briefly. You guys, you don't need to break your saving box. You don't need to break a bank. You don't need to go for masters, or you don't need to go for any course for you to start making money on social media, to start making money with your smartphone, start making money online. It's a huge product, by the way, but it is easy to begin. It is very cheap to begin. What exactly do you need for you to start making money with your smartphone? One, you need a smartphone. The moment you have a smartphone, irrespective of how much it is, irrespective of the brand, provided it is a smartphone, you can begin from there. Do you have any restriction? If you have Android, not iPhone, no, you don't have a restriction. Do you have any restriction if your phone is cheap but it's Android? No, you don't have any restriction. The only thing is you need that smartphone and you're good to go. That is first requirement. The second requirement, you need an idea. An idea that won't need you to go to any institution for beginners. An idea that is within you and around you, or an idea that you wish to put forward. You can start immediately. And when you hear about an idea, we don't mean that for you to make money online, you only have to put a camera and look in it like what I'm doing. No. Making money online is broad. But for beginners, for starters, the method that is very friendly is the method that you already praying in, you are already jumping in, you're out, you're living it even right now as you are not making money online. That is a smartphone plus social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. We all really know that 99.9% of the people that with smartphone do watch videos on YouTube. How many times have you consumed? So meaning that you don't need to go to university for you to start that business or for you to start a project. That is the second one. The third one, you need focus. When you get focused, it means you are going to learn and relearn. Learning is continuous. It is for the person who just began and for the person who has been there for 10 years, because things are changing, and it also depends on which system are you using. Are you using social media? Are you using apps? Or you're using digital products? So depending on the project you're doing, you will learn and relearn, learn every day and every day. Now, for you having the three and focuses in front, the moment you have your phone, you have an idea, you need internet. Internet, that calls for you to get a small amount of money to spare. Why I said you don't need anything? Because you already use internet. Since you're watching me, since you're always on TikTok live, you're always on Facebook, it means you have access to internet. That one alone can make you start your business. Then you need patience. Most individuals, when they hear about making money online, they think you will wake up tonight, put a camera in your face, then go to the bank and withdraw. No, baby girl, that's not how it works. Making money online is like any other business, is like any other project. The only advantage with it doesn't need huge capital. Your capital is patience, your capital is persistence, your capital is consistent, your capital is focus. Now that you are focused and you're patient, what do you need? You need to have streams of income. And how do you get streams of income? For example, I started with Facebook, YouTube. They pay differently. Facebook pays me for the same content I put. At the same time, YouTube pays me for the same content. These are different platforms. Those are two streams of income. And I have a digital product. A digital product is my ebooks. So you can say that I'm pushing the game. The ebooks pay you, it is passive income. Then you can even end up using your brand and create products. Products is like Immaculate Show jumpers, Immaculate Show bracelets, Immaculate Show watch, t-shirt, and many others. So making money online is not about you to go to the bank and get a loan, to buy a new camera, to buy a new, no. With time, all these things will be brought by the simple work that you began with only your smartphone, your cheap smartphone, at the comfort of your home, and your idea. Without forgetting, consistency is the key. So this question has been answered, and God bless you, Gideon, who asked this question, because most people have been asking it. So guys, cheers to the new beginning, as new beginners who are yet to begin their content entrepreneurship, their social media entrepreneurship, their online entrepreneurship. See you there.